In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate captions and subtitles in Canva. That's for your videos. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm just going to drag a video and add it here. Now, this is the video we're going to be using. And if I should play it, if I play that now, all right, so that's the video. So for me to generate the captions, first of all, I could just fit this video into the timeline, and then I'll just click on text and then click on captions. That's dynamic text captions. And it's going to prompt me to choose which video I want. And this is the video, of course, all video with audio. If there were more, I'll choose all of them there. And then I'm going to choose generate captions. It's going to take a little bit of time. And because the video is very short, you can see the captions there already. And if I click, you can see. All right. So that's the caption. What we could do is that we could also edit the captions. If I should highlight this, I could come to effects. I'll just click on got it. Come to effects. You could give this a background, change the background color here, the background color here, make it blue background color. You could change the text from Arimo, you could make it glacial indifference. You see it looks a little bit different now. You could increase the font size. I could stretch this out a little bit. Or maybe if you don't want this effect, you could click here and say none. Or you could just have an outline for the text and make the outline to be white while the text itself is black. So, and you could also come back and increase the thickness of the outline so that the text is really visible. So if I click, you can see. So that is how you do captions on video. Now, mind you, you're going to have to increase each caption page by page. So I increase the first one, and then so when I come here now, I may need to edit this particular one too. I could just copy the style there and paste it here, but I'll just do the same thing, thickness 90. And then I want to make the font, let's say I could make the font size here to be 32. You see it increases that. I could increase it more and just continue. So that is how to add captions. And don't forget, you can just share, click on download, and then you download your video with your captions. That is how you add captions to videos automatically in Canva. Captions and subtitles. If you got any value out of this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel for more Canva tips. God bless you. Peace.